Hello, welcome, Professor. I hope you're doing well. Now we are going to do the Tableau assignment. And I'm going to share my screen. Assignment 4, share. Okay, perfect. Now let's start with the air cancellation. So we need to go to measures, and then we need to select cancel. Need to go to default properties, do aggregation. We need to take average. Next thing, we need to go to canceled, then default properties, then number format, select percentage, 1 decimal, and press OK. Next thing is we need to go to measures. We need departure, delay, minutes. And when we go here, we'll go to default properties, then go to aggregation, and we'll make average. And then the next thing is taxi time out. Taxi out time. So we'll go to taxi out time, then we'll go to default properties, then we'll go to aggregation, we'll make average. Okay, now origin city name, we will select this and drag it to the rows. Okay, and then we'll take airline full name and we'll drag it to the column. Okay, boom. Now we'll go to the measure and then we'll go to the canceled. Then we will go to the marks. And we will drop it to the text. Okay. Now we'll go to show me. And we'll select the second box. Perfect. Now what we will do, we will expand. Now we'll expand this. Okay. Perfect. Now we can see that Philadelphia is doing bad. Chicago is doing bad. Chicago is not doing good. And if we see the Alaska Airlines, it is doing good. Now, next thing is departure delays. Now for this one, we will select airline full name and drag it to the rows. And now the next thing is origin city names. So origin city names will drag it to the column. And now we'll go to the marks. We'll go to the shape. So we'll go here and select shape. And now we'll do create. We'll go to the analysis. We'll create field, created field. And now we need departure delay KPI. And now we'll generate the formula if, so we'll select if, then we have average AVG, then we have departure delay minutes, and then we have is less than equal to 15, then we have satisfactory parenthesis quote unsatisfactory. That's it. Calculation is valid. Okay. Now the next step is measure departure KPI. We need to drag this to the shape. Okay, now we need to go in shape. We need to go to KPI. And for satisfactory, we'll take this marks, green box, and red box. For unsatisfactory, then okay. Now you can see it is all sorted out. Let us expand it. increase the size. Okay, perfect. Now you can see Alaska Airlines. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to measure. We need to take delay, departure delay, minutes. We need to drag to tooltip so we can see how much minutes and seconds they take. So if we see Alaska, it takes 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Now the next one is taxi out time. Taxi out time, what we need to do is airline full name, we'll drag it full name to the rows and origin city name to the column. Then we'll go to marks, we'll go to shape, select shape and circles. Okay, now analysis. We go to analysis. Now we need to create field. Now for this we need taxi out KPI. Now we'll do the formula if, select if, and then we need to do average, AVG is average. Then we have taxi out. Then we have less than equal to 20. Then we have comma, then we have triple quotes, satisfactory, triple quotes closed, then we have triple quotes open, unsatisfactory, triple quotes closed, this is closed. Okay, so we have here, now it is valid. Let's select it. Okay, perfect. Now we need to drag KPI to shape and click shape and come to default, select KPI, come to satisfactory, take green mark, unsatisfactory, take a red mark. Press OK. Now increase the size. Okay, perfect. Show me. You can see satisfactory. And now we'll go to the dashboard, airline delay. Now we will select airline, drag it to the top. Now we will take departure delay, track it in the bottom. And then we will take taxi out, we'll drag it into the bottom right. Perfect. Now we need this one. We will select this, fit entire view. Then we will select this, fit entire view, select this, fit entire view. Okay, now size automatic. Okay, now that's it. So yeah, now we need to connect here, select this one, and we need to set 9, select gray color, and now we will type average departure delays 15 minutes or less. Set, click OK, and here again come and need to make 9 and select color gray and write average taxi out time 20 minutes or less. And select 20 minutes or less and select OK. That's it. We are done. Share and you can save.